I'll shut the ensuite door.
Pardon?
I'll shut the door. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well.
Double boxing today.
Double unboxing today.
Oh, double unboxing, sorry.
It's alright. It is...
Upside down.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Birchbox.
Okay. I thought it looked upside down. Yes, you're right. It just looks upside down when you're looking in there.
No, it doesn't.
No,
It
just
looks
back
backwards.
to front. Yeah, that's what I meant.
So it's Birchbox time. Birchbox is...
£12.95 a month, including postage.
I have seen lots of people in uproar this month for the fact that Birchbox hasn't arrived for them, but you've had yours for a while, haven't
I've
you?
had mine for about
And you
a week
were
and a
going to
bit.
come last week, but
And you
we
were
were all
poorly.
poorly, so she didn't. So Mum's had hers for like 10 days.
Yeah, easily
And
10
there's
days.
quite a lot of people that haven't got theirs yet, so yeah. I don't get Birchbox, mostly because I think it's rubbish. Well, it is. It is. They're tiny samples and it's a pretty box. But yeah, I used to get it, but not anymore. That looks pretty, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But Mum likes to get it just because she wants to be in the videos.
Yeah, that's it.
Don't you?
Yeah.
But I think you should
Only
swap.
reason.
I think you should swap to another box.
All right. Well, you tell me which
Yeah.
one to swap to, and I'll swap
Tell
to
us
it.
what box you should swap to. So this is the Birchbox and Paper Chase.
Yeah.
Paper Chase is the nice card place, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
This is.
Here you
right.
go.
Thank you.
let me see what they say. Hello Birchboxers. As summer stretches ahead us this June, we want to inspire your wanderlust and encourage you to get adventurous. Whether it's booking a flight or exploring a little closer to home, wouldn't it be nice to kick back in the sun and think this is the life?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally on that.
What you got then?
First thing is something called Coleraine.
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
Like chlorine.
Chlorine. Sorry. I will get better.
You got it there, look. Chlorine, like
promise.
chlorine. The smallest
Right.
sample of shampoo.
Yes, this would
Ever.
probably do 2 goes.
They put that might do my hair once.
Well,
if
I've
that.
only got-
Yeah. But that would probably be better in a sachet, but they've trying to make it look bigger.
posher, yeah.
So this says
What a fly.
a giant fly by the sounds of it.
Yeah.
A full size one of these is £8. Let's have a sniff and see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like toothpaste. That's horrible. Oh, that's
Oh, it
horrible.
does. It smells just like toothpaste.
I don't like that.
So you won't be wanting to keep
Made
that
with
then.
Aquamint. Oh, there you go. This purifying shampoo detoxes and protects lackluster strands. The non-stripping formula is full of botanicals that help remove build-up from pollution.
What a load of old drivel.
Yeah.
Right, next item is a Larizzi lipstick.
Yeah, in either plum or gala.
I've got no idea.
Have a look.
Gala.
So this clever pencil is full size and it's £20.
No, that's
It's
silly.
a lipstick. You pay that for MAC lipstick. Well, you don't even. That's more expensive than MAC, isn't it?
Yeah, MAC was 17.
And you love MAC.
Yeah, this is Gala.
This clever pencil gives you
Right.
an easy way to achieve perfectly defined lips. The secret is a lip liner and a lipstick in one.
Oh, it's quite nice. Look.
Oh, she's changing her tune now. Would you pay 20 quid for it?
No way, not never.
But why do you pay 20? Why do you pay 17 for MAC?
I don't know, because you told me to.
Because MAC's lovely. Larizzi might be your new favourite.
No,
Right in it.
there's some lips.
Mum's done. That's a lovely swatch. That's very good.
Yeah, that's quite nice actually.
Yeah. So
I quite like that. You
yeah,
won't
it's a
be
very you colour.
So what do you do? How do you get it to work?
I don't know whether whether you have to sharpen it.
It doesn't have any way of going up.
I'm assuming it's a sharpened one.
Surely that's not it, just that little bit on the end.
No, that can't be because we even pay 20 quid for that. Does this come off? Are we being thick? Does it say? Or do you sharpen it? I don't know. I think you must sharpen it. But it feels like plastic.
You can't sharpen.
You're not gonna
That?
you're not gonna have one big enough, are you?
No.
I don't know.
Ooh,
We're being thick. Help us.
Yes, we
Okay.
don't know how to make that bigger.
No. Get
Never
more.
mind. Yeah,
get more out. But it's
right.
a nice thing.
It's
If
very
it's
nice
20
colour.
quid for that teeny tiny little bit, they can just fuck right off.
Now the
'cause that's
next thing
ridiculous.
I've got is
Rituals.
the ritual of karma. Okay.
It's not going to focus because the camera's a dick.
Oh. And this
full size
is
is £18.50.
body cream.
That's a good size for, like, if you're going on holiday or something.
Yeah. Let me just a quick sniff.
Body cream is an ultimate multitasker, rejuvenating both body and mind, combining the irresistible aromas of lotus flower with pampering organic white tea. The nourishing formula sinks into your skin. Smell nice? Let me smell.
Just drop the lid on the
Oh, it does smell nice.
It does smell
Yeah.
nice, doesn't it? That does smell
Lovely.
very,
Lovely.
very posh. Right, then the next thing I've got is something in a teeny microscopic, teeny weeny little bottle-y thing.
Look, a teeny tiny little bottle. It's pretty though. It says Paul and Joe Moisturising Foundation Primer. So it's a primer.
Is there anything in it? Barely. All right, Lucy's going to try it out.
God, it smells like granny. What is that scent?
Dunno.
It's granny, innit?
Don't know.
That's like an old lady kind of. It's not bad, but it's.
And then we've
It
got.
smells like. Wait!
Sorry.
Wait! Christ! And that says eliminate a step in your morning routine with this multitasking primer. Lightweight, non-greasy formula uses orange water flour and hyaluronic acid, which is for good, to deeply moisturise, banish excess oil and help your makeup stay in place. But that does smell like, oh look, look at my hand, it's gone all like matte.
Mmm. Did you want your hand to go matte?
Not really, but you might want your face to go matte.
Maybe.
And then you've got one more thing
I have, and it's here.
that I want.
This is also very small, tiny little.
Benefit. This is what I mean. This is why I don't like Birchbox.
This is a Gimme Brow Benefit.
Some of the samples you could potentially go to the counter in a makeup
And they would
give you a sample. Not all of them, but so this is the Gimme Brow in shades 2, 3 or 4.5. What shade have you got?
I don't know. I'm just trying to get it out of the box first.
Full size one is £21.50.
This is a major task. Gimme Brow.
What shade? What shade have you got? 3, light neutral brown, so no good for either of us. Just a few strokes of this magical brush gives you the fuller brows that stay in place all day but still look natural thanks to the water resistant microfibers that adhere to the skin.
Is it like mascara for eyebrows?
Yeah, and it's you can put some on me.
I wouldn't know how to do it, darling. Put it on the end of your nose if you do that. I don't know what I'm doing.
Let me see.
There you go, you have a little fiddle with that.
I used to use the Gimme Brow. Like
you do it like that, do you?
Yeah, just it's got little fibres in it apparently.
I was trying to paint it on like a paintbrush.
Build up. It's not dark enough for me.
No.
And it literally feels like nothing is coming off.
Looks like it's dried up actually.
Yeah.
Bit rubbishy, isn't it?
Literally nothing is coming off. Like look.
Well,
barely anything is coming off when I put it on. That's just crap. This is why Birchbox is rubbish. I think you should sack it off.
Right, you are then. Okay, well
the ritual thing's nice, and you've got a nice lipstick.
Yes.
Tell us how to do the Laritzi thing, because
we're not bright enough to work out how to do it.
Let me Google it.
Wow.
Because otherwise that's rubbish, isn't it?
It is a bit, isn't it? I mean, there's only like a quarter of an inch of actual lipstick showing.
That's a big fat one.
Will that fit in there?
Yes, you sharpen it.
Oh, look. Oh, look at that.
There you go, yeah.
Look.
You sharpen it.
That's clever, isn't it? So that one I've got at home will do.
Yeah, should do. Oh, gross.
Okay, that is lovely, darling.
So,
Thank you. Well, that was really,
Birchbox.
really uneventful.
Yeah, well, you've got a lipstick that you like and a shower thing.
Yeah, that's nice.
So,
but that's...
But yeah.
Yeah. And you don't want the benefit thing. You don't want anything in there this month,
I don't.
do you?
I don't want any of it.
Right, okay, then we'll...
I don't want none of it. It's
Shall we
rubbish.
call that a day then?
Yeah.
Right,
Birchbox.
Not very good this month.
No.
No.
She's not happy.
No, I'm not. I'm always happy. Because we've got a better one to do now that weighs a ton.
That's going to go up after this.
Yes, okay.
So yeah. Mum, do the outro.
Oh, yes. So if you've enjoyed watching this little video with me and Lucy.
In my new filming area.
Thank you for watching. And subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already.
Or else.
Or else. I don't know what or else she'll do, but something nasty will happen.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.